Assalamu alaikum students. Good morning. We were solving O-Level mathematics past papers and we have started paper 1 of June 2010. Last time we solved first 14 questions. Today we will start question number 15. Question number 15 is about the angle properties of circles. You know different properties of angles. We will discuss it today again and solve a question related to angle properties of circle. Now, question 15 is, a circle is given here. O is the center of this circle. So, BD is diameter and BCD is a semicircle, and similarly BAD is also a semicircle. The question is, we have to find the DAC. Question part A is, we have to find DAC. First of all, we have to locate which angle is DAC. 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 This angle is DAC. It is quite easy. The angle inscribed in a semicircle is 90 degrees. This is first property. Angle inscribed in a semicircle is 90 degree. So DAB is 90. So we will write DAB is equal to 90 degree, because this DB is called, therefore DAB angle inscribed in a semicircle is 90 degree, or इसकी reason लिखेंगे हम semicircle, or you can write angle in semicircle, or whatever you write semicircle. Reason is necessary to mention. If you don't mention reason here, you will not get full marks. Now DAB is 90 degree. We have to find DAC. It is quite evident from the figure that DAB is actually equal to DAC plus CAB. Therefore, we can write that DAB is equal to DAC plus CAB. It is given in the figure. It is evident from the figure. Okay. Now put the values of DAB, DAC and CAB. We know the value of DAB. DAB is 90. So write 90 degree is equal to DAC. We have to find DAC, so it is unknown. DAC plus CAB is 38. It is also given in the figure. Okay. So just we simplify it and find DAC. Then 90 minus 38 is equal to DAC. This implies that DAC is equal to 90 minus 38 is 52 degrees. So the part 1 answer DAC is 52 degrees. Clear? So we have used the different properties of the angle properties of circle to evaluate DAC, and DAC comes out to be 92 degrees. Second part is, or B part of this question is, we have to find DBC. We have to find DBC. B part is we have to find DBC. DBC, angle subtended by chord DC at B. This is DC chord, angle subtended by it here. This angle is we have to find, and this is we have found this. This angle is 52 degrees. Now, angle subtended by an arc in the same segment are always equal. So any angle in this segment by DC will be 52 degrees, will be same. Now this angle is subtended by DAC, and this comes out to be 52 degrees. DBC is also subtended by DC in the same segment, so this will be also equal to DAC. This is equal to DAC. D angle at, this is angle subtended by DC at A, and this is angle subtended by DC at B. Both are in the same segment by same arc, so we get angle in the reason is angle in the same segment. We write angle in the same segment. Reason. So therefore DAC is equal to DBC, and we know that DAC is 92 degrees or 52 degrees. Therefore DBC will also be equal to 52 degrees. That's it. C part is, for C part we have to find DBQ. Where is P? Sorry, I didn't draw early. There is given that there is a tangent here. Tangent at B here. This is tangent, and this is Q. We have to find the DBQ. CBQ. CBQ is this angle. The alternate segment theorem. This is CBQ. This angle, double headed. Alternate segment theorem is angle made by any chord with tangent will be equal to angle subtended by that chord in the alternate segment. Now, how to find the alternate segment? CB has this arc. This is one segment of circle cut by the CB, and this is another segment of the circle. So these two are this segment, I shaded it. This segment and this whole segment are the alternate segment. So here CBQ is the angle subtended by CB arc with the tangent at B. Therefore any angle subtended by CB in this segment will be equal to CBQ. So CB is this arc, this is making this angle. So this angle is also equal to CBQ. This is also CBQ. Also CDB will also be equal to CBQ. Similarly, CB also makes this angle CAB. This will be also equal to CBQ. So I write it here, CBQ will be equal to CAB is equal to CDB. Will be equal to CAB is equal to CDB. This angle and this angle are same because these are the angles in the same segment. These two are angles in the same segment, and this is the same angle in the alternate segment. Both will be, all three angles will be equal. So we will write here the alternate segment theorem. Therefore, it is given that 38. Therefore, CBQ will also be equal to 38 degrees. CBQ will also be equal to 38 degrees. And this completes our question number 15. So we have used three properties of angle properties. First is angle inscribed in a semicircle is 90 degree. This was given 38, so 90 minus 38 comes out 52. Therefore, we got DAB is equal to 52 degrees. Second was we use the angles in the same segment. This was DBC. We found DAC. This was angle made by the DC in this segment. Therefore, any angle by DC in segment will be 52 degrees. Therefore, DAC is 52 and DBC also separated by DC. So these are the two angles equal. Therefore, this is 52. This is also 52. Yeah. Next was the alternate segments. We have to find the CBQ. CBQ was the angle made by CB with the tangent. So angle made by CB in the alternate segment will be also equal to CBQ. So this angle is 38 because the angle subtended by CB in this segment, alternate segment. Therefore, CBQ will also be equal to 38 degrees. Next question is about the probability tree or the probability. Question is a bag contains 6 red कितने? How many red? A bag contains 6 red and 4 blue counters. So overall there are 10 counters because 6 plus 4 is 10. Now the question is 2 counters are taken from the bag at random without replacement. This is without replacement. First we take one counter, take it away, then take second counter and put it away. The tree diagram for this is given below. This is tree diagram. Express your complete the tree diagram. We have to complete this tree diagram. There are some missing. Or देखें, overall there are 10 counters. So there, what is the probability of red? Red are probability of red is equal to total number of favorable chances divided by total chances. So total outcomes is 10. How many red? Red is 6. So therefore probability of red is 6 over 10. Similarly, probability of blue will be equal to number of blue over total. Number of blue is 4 over 10. So here will be 4 over 10 because the probability of blue is in drawing first time is 4 over 10. Now look here. When we draw second counter, the number of counters will become 9 now because one have been drawn out. If first counter is 10, now first counter is red, then how many red counters will be left here? 5 total. 5 red out of 9, so the probability of red is 5 over 9 given here. Next is, what is the probability of blue? Therefore, we will write it. How many blue counters are there? If first is red, then blue counters remain same. That is 4. Initially there were 4. Therefore, it will be 4 over total. Total is now 9. 4 over 9. You can check your answer. If you add these two probabilities in any branch of the tree, 2 branches of a tree, then this will be equal to 1. So 5 over 9 plus 4 over 9 is equal to 1. Here 6 over 10 plus 4 over 10 is equal to also 1. So this is correct. Now if first counter drawn was blue, how many red counters will be left? They will remain same, that is 6. So it is 6 here, but first counter is blue. So total were 10. Now the total become 9. So the probability of drawing second red counter will be 6 over 9. So it is 6 over 9. Next is blue, second time blue. First time blue, second time blue. First, initially there were 4 counters, blue counters. 1 is drawn. How many left? 3. So it will be 3 here. How many total counters? 1 is drawn out of 10. So total counters are 9. So it is 3 over 9. Again 6 over 9 plus 3 over 9 is equal to 9 over 9 equal to 1. So our question is correct. No need to worry about the answer. B part is expressing your answer as a fraction in its simplest form. Calculate the probability that both counters are same color. We have to find B part is we have to find the probability that both counters are the same color. Now, what is the possibilities are? Possibilities are it can be red, both are red, same color, or he has not mentioned the color. He has asked us to find the probability of drawing both color of both counters of the same color. Next is again this same color. So it can be red or blue. Now if we move on to this side horizontally along the branches of a tree, then it will multiply here, and if they are vertically, then they are added. So here it is red, I write red comma red, and ये क्या है? This will give you blue. We have to find probability of this or this. When there is or, we have to add the probabilities. We have to find the probability of blue or red. These are the probabilities. When this is or, we write the probability of blue plus probability of red. When there is a or, it becomes plus. If it is and, this will become multiplied. This is and, blue and blue, red and red. So these probability of blue here and probability of blue here will be added. Similarly, probability of red here and probability of red here will be multiplied. So this will become probability of blue is 4 over 10. 4 over 10 into 3 over 9. This is the probability of blue. Plus probability of red. Red is here 6 over 10. This is 5 over 9. Same direction to multiply it because it is red and red. So this will become 6 over 10 multiplied by 5 over 9. Now we have to simplify this. How we will simplify it? It is quite easy. Look here. 3 ones are 3 threes are. So similarly 3 twos are 3 threes are. 2 ones are 2 fives are. 5 ones are 5 ones. It is cancelled. Look here. 2 twos are 2 fives are. So this will become 2 ones are 2 over 5 threes are 15 plus both are 1 ones are 1 over 3 ones are 3. We have to add these two fractions. How we will add them? We have to take LCM. To take LCM, we multiply it with 5 here. It becomes 5 over 15. So answer will be 2 plus 5 over 15 equal to 2 plus 5 is 7. Answer will be 7 over 15. So probability of drawing the two counters of same color is 7 over 15. A, B, C, D. It is given that AB vector is 2P and AD is 3Q. The Q is vector, P is vector, 2 and 3 are scalar numbers. And also x is a point on this side BC such that it divides the length BC in the ratio 2:1. This is 2, this is 1. If this ratio is 6, this is 3, this is 4, this is 2. So ratio is 2:1. So overall is 3. So 2/3 of BC is BX and 1/3 of CB is CX, or XC is 1/3 of BC. You have to take care of the direction there. Question is, find in terms of P and Q, A part is AC. We have to find AC vector. AC. The head to tail rule or parallelogram law of vector addition is AC is diagonal if two sides of the parallelogram represents two sides of parallelogram represents two vectors, then the included diagonal will be sum of these two vectors. So AC is the included diagonal of these two vectors. Therefore AC will be equal to the sum of these two vectors, AB plus AD. It is given as the parallelogram law of vector addition. So this is the reason is necessary to mention. So AC is AB plus AD, and it is given that AB is equal to 2P. P is vector here, so I make it boldface. 2P plus AD is 3Q. So AC is 2P plus 3Q. This is the answer of part A. Clear? We have to find AC, which is equal to parallelogram law of vector addition, equal to AB plus AD. So AC is equal to 2P plus 3Q. B part is find the vector. Which vector B? B part is AX. We have to find AX. AX is this vector. AX. This vector is straight line. Sorry, my drawing is not good, but it is straight line. We have to find AX. Now, again, by the vector addition, AX is equal to AB plus BX. It is quite evident by head to tail rule. AB plus BX is equal to AX. Now, what is AX? BX. BX is 2/3 of BC, and this is parallelogram. If it is parallelogram, then AD vector will be equal to BC vector. So BX, now write it. BX here is equal to 2/3 of BC, but BC is equal to what? AD. So this is equal to 2/3 of AD. Understand? BX is 2/3 of BC, and which is actually 2/3 of AD. This implies that on AD is given as 3Q. It is given in the question. So this will be equal to 2/3 of 3Q. 2/3 of 3Q. I make it boldface. So 3 is cancelled with this 3. So it means BX is equal to 2Q. Therefore AX will be equal to AB. AB is given 2P plus, I write it narrow so you can differentiate between vector and scalar. 2P plus BX. BX is given as what? bx is given as 2 to the 2q. So this angle is 2q, or you can write it as, if you take 2 common, you write it 2 into p plus q. So ax is 2 into p plus q, or you can write it 2p plus 2q. Next is, we have to find xc. We have to find xc. I write it here. xc. Next part is, we have to find xc. Now xc is this. xc. Sorry, next xd. Sorry, not xc. It is very easy. xd. xd is this vector. I draw it here for you. xd is this vector. Straight line. xd. So by head to tail rule, by vector addition, we can write that xd is equal to xc plus cd. देखें, फर्स्ट वेक्टर का फर्स्ट ना और लास्ट का लास्ट, ये दोनों लिख दें तो आपको रिजल्टेंट वेक्टर, सम ऑफ वेक्टर आ जाता है. कितनी वेक्टर हो, xc प्लस ca प्लस cb प्लस bd हो, तो आंसर क्या होगा, xd. फर्स्ट वेक्टर का फर्स्ट लेटर और लास्ट वेक्टर का लास्ट लेटर लिखते हैं. आपको एक ट्रिक है to make question easy and fastly. So xd is xc plus cd. Now xc is what? xc is 1/3 of again bc, and bc is again equal to ad. So I write it here. Now xc is 1/3 of bc, which is 1/3 of actually AD. So XC is equal to 1/3 of AD is 3Q. Okay, 3 cancel. So XC is equal to only Q. Now X, we put it here, all values here. And similarly, CD is equal to what? Now, CD, AB is in this direction, CD is opposite direction. They are negative of each other. They are negative vectors. And we write that CD is equal to minus AB. Because CD is in this direction, CD is equal to B actually, and we are given with AB. AB is 2P, so BA will be minus AB, and this will be equal to minus 2P. I added bold face 2P. Put these two values here, XC and CD here. So XD will become, XC is Q, CD is minus 2P, so answer will be Q minus 2P, and this is the answer of XD. So XD is equal to Q minus 2P. So this is how you solve the paper 1 questions about the vectors. So students, I stop today's video here, because if I solve more questions, it will become more lengthy for you and you can get bored of it. So I will stop it here. Next questions we will solve in the next video. Today we have covered 3 very important topics of O-level mathematics, and these topics are often asked in the paper 1 and paper 2, but we have solved paper 1 questions. First was angle properties of circle, in which we discussed 3 properties. First was the angle inscribed in the semicircle is right angle or 90 degree. Second was the angle subtended by same arc in the same segment are congruent or equal. And third was alternate segment theorem. The angle subtended by an arc with tangent is equal to angle subtended by that arc in the alternate segment. Second was the probability, in which we use the very basic fact of probability of an event is equal to number of favorable events or number of favorable chances divided by number of total chances. And then we show that we use the tree diagram and we found the probability of 2 events, 2 simultaneous events, that is probability of red and probability of blue. Or probability when it is or though 2 events are mutually exclusive of those events which cannot occur simultaneously at the same time. Therefore, if 2 events are mutually exclusive, then their collective probability is equal to sum of their probabilities. So therefore, probability of red and or blue is equal to probability of red plus probability of blue. And last we solved the question about the vectors, in which we use the parallelogram and the law of vector additions. Hopefully everything is crystal clear to you. If you have any ambiguity, any query, you can ask me. आप मुझसे पूछ सकते हैं comment में. You can ask me in comments. And if you like this video, hopefully you like this video, please like it, share it, subscribe my channel, and also press the bell icon so that you can get all the notifications of my new videos. Take care. Goodbye. Allah Hafiz. See you in next video very soon.